Oh, okay.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Oh.
Hey guys, I'm Josiah.
And I'm Aiden.
And we're at Pocket Watch Studios.
And today we're going to be doing punch through the wall, and some of these have slime or like dinosaur throw up, and some of these have like
dinosaur.
Yeah, dinosaur toys. And whoever gets 2 matching dinosaurs get a point.
Before we get started, let's practice our punches.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Want to go first?
Oh yeah.
Here we go. Oh!
Yeah, dinosaur throw up.
Oh!
Now they got a dinosaur throw up on me. Josiah takes return.
Dino.
Pink.
Go.
So let's go.
For this one. Oh, I cut it. Okay, this is a red one. This is a pink one. Does not match, so I will put these back. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go for my favorite color, blue.
Okay. Boom. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna go now, and I pick this one.
You got a dinosaur.
Oh, okay. Let's see. I'm gonna go for this yellow one.
I knew it. Hey, do you make one of these?
It's a dino. It's orange. I got a point. Let's go.
Yeah, so now it's my turn. Hopefully I get matching dinosaur. Oh, okay.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Oh.
High five.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go for this top pink one. It's a dino. Pink. Okay. And it's a pink dino. I get another point. Hey.
I'm gonna go for the top yellow one. Okay, I have a green one.
Let's
I'm
see.
gonna go for this pink one again.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's a match! Dino dance.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna go for this middle one.
Okay.
The middle blue. It's a dinosaur.
It's red one.
Okay, now I'm gonna go for
I'm gonna see.
this one right here.
Okay, he's going
This
for the pink one.
top pink.
Yeah, so.
Harder. Where is it? Oh no!
Yes! Yeah, so I'm gonna go for this green one, so.
Oh yes! More slime for me too. Slime.
Oh, okay.
Slime. It is
A blue dino. I think I'm gonna go for that top one.
Oh
Nothing inside there.
no! So I have 2 pairs. He has 1 pair, and there's 2 more pairs. So now it's my turn. I am gonna pick. Oh, it's a red dino. Okay, now I'm gonna get this yellow one.
He works.
I got 1 pair. So we just played the Punch Through the Wall challenge, and we're at Pocket Watch Studios. I'm Josiah.
And I'm Aiden.
Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
Yes! Bye!